Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing 3-day adventure in Agra, India. This place has been on my list forever, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. We're talking insane architecture, delicious food, and a whole lot of culture shock in the best way possible. I'm so stoked to share this experience with you guys, so buckle up and let's get started. Alright, first things first, we had to hit up the Taj Mahal. You see pictures, you hear the stories, but nothing compares to seeing this place in person. The scale of it, the detail, the way the light hits the marble, it's just unreal. We got there super early to beat the crowds, and it was the best decision ever. Walking through the massive gate and seeing the Taj Mahal for the first time, I swear, I got chills. Like this is a monument to love, built by thousands of people, and it stood for centuries. It's hard not to feel something standing in its shadow. We spent hours just wandering around, taking it all in. The gardens, the fountains, the reflections in the water. Every angle is a postcard. You can tell how much care goes into maintaining this place, keeping it pristine. And speaking of details, the craftsmanship is next level. The intricate carvings, the inlaid stones, the calligraphy, it's mind-blowing how much work went into every inch of this place. It's no wonder it took over 20 years to build. We even hired one of the local guides, and let me tell you, best decision ever. He knew every story, every legend, every little detail about the Taj Mahal. It brought the whole place to life. By midday, the place was packed, and it was definitely time to go. But seriously, if you ever get the chance to visit the Taj Mahal, just do it. You won't regret it. Next up, we hit up the Agra Fort, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, and man, this place was a trip. It's a massive red sandstone fort dating back to the Mughal Empire, and it's full of history. You walk through these imposing gates and you're immediately transported back in time. Courtyards, palaces, mosques, gardens, it's like a whole city within the walls. You can totally imagine emperors walking these halls, plotting their next move. Our guide told us all about the different emperors who ruled from here, the battles they fought, the intrigues and betrayals. It was like something out of Game of Thrones, but real life. One of the coolest parts was this balcony where Shah Jahan, the guy who built the Taj Mahal, was imprisoned by his own son. It said he could see the Taj Mahal from there, a constant reminder of his love and his loss. Talk about a view! The Agra Fort is definitely worth spending a few hours exploring. It's a fascinating glimpse into India's rich history. And the architecture is just as impressive as the Taj Mahal, just in a different way. Plus, you get some incredible views of the Taj Mahal from the fort, which is a bonus. It's like a whole different perspective on this iconic monument. If you're heading to Agra, don't miss out on the Agra Fort. It's a must-see for history buffs and anyone who wants to experience the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. Okay, let's talk about the real Agra experience, the markets. This is where the city comes alive with a sensory explosion of colors, smells, and sounds. We're talking narrow lanes packed with vendors selling everything from spices and fabrics to jewelry and souvenirs. We started at the Kalakriti Bazaar, which is known for its wedding stuff. Talk about overwhelming. The colors were blinding, there were saris everywhere and the air was thick with incense. I felt like I was in another world. We wandered through the stalls, haggling for souvenirs and trying not to get trampled by the crowds. It's definitely not for the faint of heart, but it's an experience you won't forget. And the food! Oh man, the street food in Agra is next level. We're talking samosas, chaat jalebis, all kinds of deliciousness. My personal favorite was the golgap, these crispy little puffs filled with spiced potatoes and tangy water. So good! We even took a cooking class from a local family and it was one of the highlights of the trip. They showed us how to make all sorts of traditional dishes, and we ate like kings. But the best part about the markets is the people. Everyone was so friendly and welcoming even if we couldn't understand each other half the time. It's amazing how a smile and a few hand gestures can go a long way. If you really want to experience the heart and soul of Agra, get lost in the markets. Just be prepared for sensory overload in the best way possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures. See you next time.